Welcome to another episode where we dive deep into the latest in recruitment strategies, AI innovations, and HR solutions. If you're looking to elevate your hiring game and stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of talent acquisition, you're in the right place. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe so you never miss an episode filled with insights, expert interviews, and actionable tips to transform your recruitment approach. Stay tuned for exclusive content designed to make your hiring process smarter, faster, and more effective.
Recruitment with next-gen software solutions for companies. But we're not stopping there. We're enhancing the candidate experience with high-quality, bug-free application pages, real-time status notifications, and a supportive job board portal. Designed to make job searches smoother and more engaging. Profilytic redefining recruitment for everyone involved.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're going to be looking into the world of Elasticsearch.
Okay.
And more specifically, what it takes to build
Right.
a really, really top-notch Elasticsearch team.
Yeah.
We've got a really insightful guide here that's aimed at HR professionals
Okay.
who are looking to bring in the best Elasticsearch architects and cluster managers.
You know, it's interesting. When we hear about Elasticsearch, we often think of search first, right? And yes, it powers a lot of those lightning-fast searches that we see on sites like Amazon. But it's also the backbone of a lot of applications that we use every day, from analyzing huge amounts of data to even bolstering cybersecurity efforts.
Yeah, it's kind of mind-blowing when you think about it, right? This technology that's kind of working behind the scenes to make our digital lives smoother and safer,
Right.
all while crunching these massive amounts of data.
Yeah.
But let's get down to brass tacks.
Sure.
What exactly do these Elasticsearch architects and cluster managers do?
Well, think of a rapidly growing city with data flowing through its streets like traffic.
I like that.
The Elasticsearch Architect is like the city planner.
Okay.
They design the infrastructure, they make sure that the data is organized efficiently, and that everything can scale as the city, or in this case, the data grows.
So it's not just about building a static system, it's about creating something that's dynamic and can adapt to changing demands.
Absolutely. A good Elasticsearch architect needs to be thinking about things like index design and management.
Okay.
And this is where it gets really interesting.
Yeah.
They're not just creating a simple library catalog. They're crafting the very structure of the data to optimize how it's searched and analyzed.
Okay.
They use techniques like inverted indexes, which essentially map words to the documents they appear in.
Okay.
This allows for incredibly fast searches across massive data sets.
So it's like creating a super efficient filing system, but for mountains of digital information.
Exactly. But it doesn't stop there.
Okay.
You also have the cluster manager, who's like the conductor of an orchestra, making sure that all the different parts of the system are working together harmoniously.
Okay.
They ensure that the data flows smoothly and that the city remains resilient, even if there are disruptions or unexpected spikes in traffic.
Let's say you have an e-commerce site running a flash sale.
Okay.
You're going to see a huge surge in traffic and searches.
Right.
How does Elasticsearch help you handle that?
That's a great example.
Yeah.
In that scenario, the cluster manager might implement techniques like horizontal scaling.
Okay.
This involves adding more nodes to distribute the workload and prevent bottlenecks.
Okay.
They might also use query caching, which stores the results of frequently used queries for quicker retrieval.
So these roles require a really unique blend of technical skills
Yes.
and strategic thinking.
Absolutely. You need someone who understands the nuts and bolts of Elasticsearch, but also someone who can see the bigger picture and align everything with the organization's overall goals. Let's talk about the specific skills that set top Elasticsearch professionals apart.
Let's dive in.
Okay.
What should HR professionals look for when they are evaluating potential candidates?
Well, beyond the obvious technical expertise,
Right.
there are several key skills that stand out.
Okay.
First, you have query and aggregation optimization.
Okay.
Think of this as crafting the most efficient search questions to extract meaningful insights from vast amounts of data.
Okay.
It's like a detective sifting through clues, but instead of a magnifying glass, They're using powerful search queries.
So they need to be able not only to find the data,
Right.
but also to understand how to manipulate it to get those valuable insights.
Precisely.
Okay.
And it's not just about finding the answers. It's about finding them quickly and efficiently.
Right.
In a fast-paced business environment, every millisecond counts.
That's true.
What other skills are crucial for these roles?
Yeah. What else?
Another critical skill is cluster management, which we touched on earlier.
Hmm.
It's about ensuring that the entire system runs smoothly, that it can scale effortlessly, and that it can handle any bumps in the road.
Okay.
You need someone who can think on their feet,
Mm-hmm.
anticipate potential problems, and implement solutions quickly.
So it sounds like they need to be master problem solvers,
Yes,
constantly adapting to new challenges.
exactly. And let's not forget the importance of collaboration.
Okay.
These roles require constant interaction with developers, operations teams, and business stakeholders.
Okay.
They need to be able to communicate effectively, translate technical jargon into plain English, and build consensus across different teams.
So it's not just about being a technical whiz.
Right.
It's also about being a strong communicator and collaborator.
Absolutely. In fact, I'd argue that those soft skills are just as important as the technical expertise.
Interesting.
The best Elasticsearch professionals are those who can bridge the gap between the technical and the business,
Right.
ensuring that the technology is being used to its fullest potential to achieve real-world results.
So we've talked about the roles, the skills, and the challenges.
They have.
But let's peek inside the toolbox for a moment.
Sure.
What are some of the specific tools that Elasticsearch professionals use to work their magic?
Well, the foundation is the Elastic Stack itself.
Okay.
It's like a chef having the right knives, pots, and ovens to create a culinary masterpiece.
Okay.
Each tool serves a specific purpose in the Elasticsearch ecosystem.
Okay, so let's break down this Elastic Stack. What
Yeah.
are the key components?
Where the core is Elasticsearch itself, the database engine designed for lightning-fast search and analytics.
Mm-hmm.
Then you have Kibana, the visualization tool that lets you create dashboards, charts, and reports to explore your data visually.
Okay.
And then there's Logstash, a powerful data processing pipeline that can ingest, transform, and enrich data from a variety of sources.
Okay.
And finally, there are Beats, lightweight data shippers that collect data from different systems and send it to Elasticsearch.
So if Elasticsearch is the engine,
Yes.
Kibana is the dashboard, Logstash is the fuel line, and Beats are the scouts gathering information from the field.
That's a great way to think about it.
Okay, great.
Beyond the Elastic Stack, professionals also use monitoring tools like Prometheus and Grafana to keep an eye on cluster health and performance in real time.
So it's a pretty extensive toolkit.
It is.
It sounds like having the right tools is only part of the equation.
Right.
You also need the expertise to know how to use them effectively.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And that's where experience and the ability to solve real-world problems come in.
Mm-hmm.
Let's talk about some of the challenges Elasticsearch professionals face on a daily basis.
Okay. I imagine one of the biggest challenges is dealing with the sheer volume of data
You're absolutely right.
that many organizations are generating.
Scaling clusters to handle ever-growing data volumes is a constant challenge.
Right.
As more data flows in, the cluster needs to expand seamlessly without sacrificing performance. It's like a city planner trying to accommodate a sudden population boom, making sure the infrastructure can handle the influx of new citizens, which in this case is data.
But isn't scaling Elasticsearch, especially in the cloud, a very costly endeavor?
It can be.
How do you balance cost and performance?
That's a critical consideration.
Yeah.
One approach is to use different storage tiers for different types of data.
Okay.
Frequently accessed data can be stored on faster, more expensive storage,
Mm.
while less critical data can be moved to slower, more cost-effective storage.
Right.
It's all about finding the right balance for each organization's needs and budget.
So it's about being resourceful and finding creative solutions to optimize both performance and cost efficiency.
Precisely.
Okay.
Another challenge is optimizing query performance.
Okay.
As the complexity of queries grows, it's crucial to ensure that they run swiftly and efficiently, especially in real-time applications.
Yeah, that makes sense if a user on an e-commerce site has to wait even a few seconds for search results to populate.
Right?
They're probably just going to go to a competitor.
Exactly. You need to make sure those queries are lightning fast.
Right?
Techniques like query restructuring, essentially rewriting the query to make it more efficient, or the use of filters to narrow down the search space can significantly improve query performance.
So we've talked about some of the challenges, but where do we see Elasticsearch making a real difference in the world?
Oh, wow.
What are some of the triumphs?
Elasticsearch is quietly powering so many aspects of our digital lives.
Oh, really?
It's behind the scenes in e-commerce, enabling those personalized product recommendations
Wow.
and lightning-fast searches.
Okay.
It's centralizing logs for real-time error detection,
Okay.
making our systems more reliable.
Okay.
It's even bolstering cybersecurity efforts, helping to identify and thwart threats by analyzing security logs for suspicious patterns.
I've also heard about companies using Elasticsearch to power their internal search engines,
That's right.
making it easier for employees to find information
Yes.
and collaborate more effectively.
Elasticsearch can be used to create a unified search experience across all of an organization's data,
Okay.
from internal documents and emails to customer records and product information.
So it's not just about making things work, it's about making them work better, faster, and safer.
Precisely.
Okay.
It's about extracting valuable insights from data, streamlining processes, and ultimately making our experiences smoother, safer, and more insightful.
We've covered a lot of ground from the technical aspects of Elasticsearch
We have?
to the real-world challenges and triumphs.
Right.
But what about the future? What emerging trends are on the horizon?
That's where it gets really exciting. One of the most fascinating developments is the rise of vector search and its integration with AI.
Okay, so traditional search relies on matching keywords, but vector search goes deeper,
That's right.
understanding the meaning and context of data.
Exactly.
Okay.
Imagine you're searching for climate change solutions.
Okay.
A traditional search might return results that contain those exact words. But with vector search, powered by AI, you could get results related to renewable energy, carbon capture, or sustainable practices, even if those specific keywords aren't present.
Wow. It's like having a search engine that can read your mind.
It's getting closer to that.
That's wild.
And the integration of machine learning with Elasticsearch's native ML features takes this even further, enabling predictive analysis, anomaly detection, and other powerful capabilities.
That sounds incredibly powerful.
It is.
What other trends are shaping the future of Elasticsearch?
Another major trend is the movement towards real-time observability.
Okay.
Think of it as having a central nervous system for your entire IT infrastructure.
Okay.
As systems become increasingly complex and distributed,
Right.
having a real-time view of their health and performance is crucial.
So instead of playing detective after a problem arises, you can see it coming and head it off at the pass.
Exactly.
That seems incredibly valuable in today's always-on world.
It is.
Yeah.
And Elasticsearch plays a key role here. It enables organizations to bring together metrics, logs, and traces into a unified platform.
Okay.
Instead of juggling separate monitoring tools.
Right.
Businesses have a real-time dashboard of their entire operation.
It's like having X-ray vision into your systems.
That's a good way to put it.
Yeah. Are there any other major trends we should be aware of?
Cloud-native deployments are becoming increasingly popular.
Okay.
Companies are leveraging the flexibility and scalability of cloud platforms to make Elasticsearch even more accessible.
Okay.
Cloud providers like AWS and Azure offer managed Elasticsearch services, making it easier than ever to deploy and scale clusters.
So even smaller organizations that don't have these massive IT departments
Right.
can harness the power of Elasticsearch.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And with the rise of containerization technologies like Kubernetes, Elasticsearch can be deployed as a portable, scalable application.
Wow.
It's a potent combination that allows organizations of all sizes to benefit from this technology.
It's amazing how this technology continues to evolve and push boundaries.
It is.
It seems like every day there's a new development that opens up even more possibilities.
It's an exciting field to be in, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Driven by the constant need to extract value from data, Elasticsearch is always in motion.
For all its technical complexity, we have to remember that Elasticsearch is a tool for humans.
That's an important point.
Yeah.
All these advancements we've discussed, vector search, AI integration, cloud-native deployments, they all aim to make it easier for people to use data, extract meaningful insights, and ultimately make better decisions.
It's about empowering people with the knowledge to solve problems, innovate, and create a better future.
Precisely.
Yeah.
And as we continue to generate more data than ever before,
Right.
the role of Elasticsearch and the professionals who understand it will only become more critical.
Absolutely. Before we wrap up,
Okay.
I want to pose one final question to our listeners. We've explored the capabilities of Elasticsearch, the skills needed to master it, and the exciting potential it holds.
We have.
What aspect of this field intrigues you the most? What sparks your curiosity?
It's a great question to ponder.
Yeah.
For me, it's the potential of vector search and AI.
Okay.
I'm fascinated by the idea of a search engine that can truly understand what we're looking for and surface information that's truly relevant to our needs.
I'm particularly drawn to real-time observability.
Okay.
Being able to detect and resolve issues before they impact users is such a powerful capability.
It is.
Especially in today's interconnected world.
No matter what aspect piques your interest, this deep dive has only scratched the surface.
Right.
A universe of knowledge awaits. I encourage everyone to delve deeper, follow your curiosity, and explore how Elasticsearch can unlock the power of data in your own work and life.
It's been an incredible journey exploring this fascinating and rapidly evolving field. I hope you've gained valuable insights into what it takes to build a world-class Elasticsearch team.
I think so.
Remember, knowledge is a journey, not a destination.
Well said.
Keep exploring and keep learning. Until next time.
Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest episodes and exclusive content designed to enhance your recruitment strategies.
Are you ready to transform recruitment with AI? Introducing Profilytic, a cutting-edge SaaS platform designed to streamline hiring. Now you can be part of our journey. We've launched a crowdfunding campaign on Wefunder to bring this innovative solution to businesses worldwide. Learn more and join us at wefunder.com Profilytic LLC. Together, let's shape the future of recruitment. Visit Wefunder today. Link is in the description.
Profilytic is a sophisticated software application that leverages artificial intelligence to streamline and enhance the recruitment process. Built upon the same automation engine used by Uber, Profilytic provides a comprehensive suite of features, including a job board, protection against harmful content, spam filtering, resume discrepancy detection, contract and offer management, compliance monitoring, real-time data insights, automated scheduling, and AI-powered candidate screening and matching.